Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you remember my words that I told you not to trade as long as market was trading in this range. Personally speaking, when Euro USD started going up, I missed this opportunity because I thought that market would remain dull and I missed the opportunity. But really, I was very happy when many of you have made money because you have wrote down comments that you all have made good profit, 50 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips. Yeah, I was extremely happy when you all have made money from my analysis, but I failed to make money from my analysis. Anyways, let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD and what can be the trading opportunities for Euro USD on Monday. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see that there was a sharp move on the chart of Euro USD, and if you have watched my other videos, then you remember it correctly that I always focus on the chart of USD, and I clearly told my yesterday's video, previous videos, that always keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. If you see any sharp move on DXY, then go for it, because see, if DXY or US dollar starts going up, then gold, GBP, Euro starts going down, and if dollar starts going down, then you'll see a good movement, good upward movement on the charts of Euro, GBP, gold. And yesterday there was a sharp fall on US dollar. To be honest, I was not expecting that US dollar would be making this much big fat red candles, but yes, it has made. And right now you can see that US dollar is standing at the 50% retracement. And as you can see that there is also a trend line acting as a support for the market. Okay, so therefore there is a possibility that after the market opening on Monday, US dollar may start going up. I'm not saying that there will be a huge upward movement, but yes, there is a good opportunity that dollar may start going up. And if dollar starts going up, then you'll see some selling pressure or Euro USD going down. And on the other hand, if the same selling pressure continues on US dollar as well, then again you will see a huge upward movement, good upward movement on the chart of Euro USD. Okay. So again, you need to keep your one eye on US dollar chart as well. If you see good upward movement on US DXY chart, US dollar chart, then Euro USD will be going down. Okay, so, and if you look at the chart, if you look at the Forex Sentiment meter here, then you can see that 65% traders have taken short position and 34% retail traders have taken long position. And this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money. We all know that 90% retail traders lose money, and this is the reason. See, 65% have taken short position when Euro USD was going up, because see, I have been shouting in my last 7-8 videos that my dear friends, do not short the market here because Euro USD has got an extremely important support, and 65% retail traders have taken short position, and this is the main reason they lose money, because they always stand against the trend of the market. Okay, so do not make the same mistake. And if we go to the economic calendar here, then you can see that on Monday we do not have any such high impact news. This is a retail sales from China, not that important. Okay, so totally on technical basis. And recently, my dear friends, I have also launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for $15 per month. If you all are interested, then please go through all the information. I will not be wasting any time in this video. So let's get back to the chart of Euro USD. So if dollar is up, Euro USD going down. If dollar is down, Euro USD going up. Okay. So next part is, as you can see that the Euro USD is also in the overbought zone. Therefore, and dollar is also standing at this support. So there is a possibility that if dollar starts going up from there, then Euro USD may see some sell off, because see, after running for a while, market also gets tired, just like us. If you start running for a while, then we need to take rest so that we can run again. So Euro USD is also in the overbought zone, so it may also come down a little bit. So nothing to worry right now. And if we look at the chart of weekly chart here, let me remove the drawings here. Yes, remove drawings. You can see that Euro USD has taken successfully support at this particular level, and this is the main reason why I have been talking about the importance of this particular level. And right now you can see that yes, successfully Euro USD has taken support at 1710 level, and therefore this particular level still remains the most crucial support for the market. Okay, so what should be our strategy for Euro USD on Monday? For that, you need to draw this trend line and this support level. Okay. Let me remove this one. So 1710 still remains the most important. Okay, still remains the most important price level on the chart of Euro USD. In case there is a sudden selling pressure on Monday and you find Euro USD at 1710 level again, then definitely it's a buy. Okay, because this is a support level that belongs to the weekly chart. If you look at the overall chart here, okay, see this is the overall chart of Euro USD. As we all know, thumb rule of the market, the basic rule of the market says buy, okay, buy at support, sell resistance, and if a market is in downtrend, then we should mainly look for shorting opportunities, and if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for if a market uptrend, then we should mainly look for buying opportunities. This market is in downtrend, market is going down, overall trend is towards the downside. Therefore, considering the basic rule of the market, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. But this level, okay, belongs to the weekly chart. Therefore, definitely we can afford to take a buy position here. Okay. And on the other hand, if Euro USD starts going up from here, then definitely you are getting a good buy position at this trend line. If you do not have drawn this trend line in your trading platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this trend line, because this trend line is a very important resistance for the market. Now you can see that how long this trend line is, and this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market since 25th May. You can see on the chart right now. Therefore, this trend line is also a very strong resistance for the market. So you should not trade in the middle. As I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. And right now you can see that market is in the middle. So if you are a beginner, then do not trade in the middle. This is your no trading zone. Wait for the market to go up. If it starts going up, then you can short the market at the resistance. If it reverses from the trend line, short the market at the resistance. This is your first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity is if market starts going down, then yes, definitely 1.1710 remains the best support and the best buying opportunity for Euro USD. On the other hand, if Euro USD fails to come to this particular level, then you may also see Euro USD taking support at this particular level, 1.1730. Okay, so if Euro USD starts bouncing from this 1.1730 level, from this particular level, then also you can go for buy order. Just keep in mind that your stop loss will be below this level, 1.1710 level. That's it. So these are the opportunities, safe trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD right now. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again.